Quite on the set. 7206 5th Avenue Northwest, dates August 3rd, 2022. Making this recording from the 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 clean out in the back of the home. All the way down the line, looking at the city main right now. I'm going to pull back from there and get a look at the side sewer. Tuck that, Nate. Back into 6-inch diameter liner. This is existing liner. This is not part of the project we're here performing today. You can go pretty fast. We've seen this line a few times. I'll let you know when to slow down. That's a transition to PVC out near the property line, out in the front of the house. Back into 4-inch diameter HDPE as part of a pipe burst that was performed at this house. This is running along the south side of the home now, coming back towards the backyard. Okay, coming around the back corner of the house now, we're back into a 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner that runs along the back of the home. Okay, slow down. Coming back right there into the liner, so go up on it. This is the new connection. This was a Fernco that was having a root intrusion. It was a slightly offset Fernco that we excavated and repaired. So now that new connection looks good, nice and tight. Go up to it again one more time, please, Kylie. All right, so you can see that's butted up as tight as it's able to get, and we are looking good at that connection. We'll come all the way up out of there. Hi.
Hi.
It's Casey. So you see now there, we have made the new connection.